Hello, everybody. This is Jamila Shields with the Newbie Marketer. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to go over how to make a domain name, how to create a domain name using GoDaddy. Yesterday, I showed you how to use that domain name and how to switch it out with whatever website or funnel that you are using to promote your business. So today is very simple, and this is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just go in and do a search and make sure that name is available, and you go ahead and you can purchase it. You can actually find coupons if you go to just Google coupons for GoDaddy, and you will be able to find coupons to use, promotional codes, whatever to use in order to get a cheaper rate on your domains. Roughly, I have used it before, and I've spent maybe sometimes 99 cents, depending on what the promotion was, $10 or something like that. But you can get it at a lower rate by using the coupons from GoDaddy and entering in the promotional code at checkout. Now, I want to go ahead and dive right in. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more notifications on anything that I put out. Here is going to be reviews, tutorials, just offers for you, things for you to think about, mindset videos. But I'll be putting out new material every day. So make sure that bell button is hit. Make sure it's hit so you can get more notifications every time I post something. Okay. So right now I want to go ahead and share my screen. We're going to go to GoDaddy. GoDaddy. And let's see. All righty. So y'all lost me for a second, but let's go ahead and share the screen again. All right, so here we are at GoDaddy, and this is, well, I've already signed in. So let's go home. As you see, I have 3 that I'm using right now, and I want to go ahead and show you how to get a domain name with GoDaddy. It's very simple, you guys. Very simple. Like 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. You got this. All right, waiting on this to open up. Let's get it together. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so I'm gonna move myself out the way just a bit. All right, so right here, right at the top, you can. You see somebody was trying to buy my stuff. That's so funny. You can enter something. Say you want to do health niche, and you want to say healthy guru, and you want to search to see if that name is available. It is not. So health. No domains, masters. Oh, that's, you know what, you guys? I'm in my domains. I don't want my domains. I want to go and let's go home. Let's go home. We don't want my products, do we? That's why I say, I'm like, what do you mean? Okay, let's keep going back to my stuff, you guys. It's always something. I know what song in my head. I don't want to search my domains. I want to buy a domain. Let's see. Domain search. That's what we're looking for. All right, so here we go. This is the page we're actually looking for. So let's see if that first one we had Healthy Guru. And you can search to see if it's available. Do. I'm gonna take my. All right, it is taken, so we have to find something else. Let's try. I'm gonna put in my name. Sometimes if you put your name in, it actually helps out. So let's say Healthy Guru. J. J Shields. Oh, let's try this. J Shields, Healthy Guru. Bet you that's not taken. And then you just hit enter. Again. There it is. So it's available. Actually, this one is available for $2.99. So you actually wouldn't have to use the coupon if you wanted to. But they'll give you more options down here at the bottom. But you see how easy that was? You just put in what your title to be, what your .com to be, and do a search. So they have options. You can actually add in a .net, .org, .info for $15 more, but that's up to you. Usually one .com is enough. It is great, so that's available for you. Now you will go ahead and continue to cart. Now I'm not going to purchase anything today, but I just want to do this as an example for you guys. So continue to cart, and let's see if I can find some coupons while we're waiting on this to load. So go GoDaddy coupons. There we go. So GoDaddy coupons 2019. Let's see what they have on here. All right. So see, you can get the .com domain for 99 cents, and you get additional one more for $9.99. So you can actually use this promo code and you could get 2 domains. I think I actually used that before a while back. I had more domains. I don't use those sites anymore, so I kind of deleted them. But right now, I think I've used this one before. 99 cents .com domains and $9.99 for one more. So you're paying about $11 altogether, and you get 2 domains for a whole year. Isn't that awesome? They have the exclusive 30% off GoDaddy new products, no minimum. So if you want to build a website with GoDaddy or anything like that, they have web hosting. They also you can help create your own email name with GoDaddy, and you can get 30% off, 50% off GoDaddy hosting plans, economy deluxe and ultimate plans all year, and exclusive $1 a month GoDaddy hosting for 12 months, plus a free domain. That's an awesome deal right there, isn't it? Now, you can choose whichever one you want, depending on what you use, right? What you want to do: website, domain name, email, phone service. They have a lot on GoDaddy, but right now I'm using domains. So you will go back. So we're going to go back to GoDaddy's site, and you will actually go ahead and pick something. So you want the $9.99 per year. You would always want to do a privacy protection on your information, and I'm going to tell you because what happened with me is somebody tried to buy my domain name. And I'm like, well, that I was actually on Facebook, and somebody said, hey, you know, your name is for sale. I said, hold on, what? But I did not make my information private, so it helps to protect you. Then you have ultimate protection and security. You could add those on for $9.99 or $14.99 per year. You can start a website with GoDaddy. So this is all at the checkout. They have a lot of upsells going on in the back. But you can choose whatever you want. And they went back. How did I go back? So let's go forward. That's not where we were. All right now. Oh, I like that now. I don't know why that song is in my head. I want to take my horse to the and ride until I can't no more. All right, me and this mouse, y'all. Okay, so you can do that, and when you continue to cart, and now I'm not going to place an order here, but I just want to go show you where you'll be able to put those promo codes in. If you go in and Google for some coupons. Coupons are great. Any way you can save money is great for me. So you can actually see, I already have my information in here, but I'm not going to do that. Yeah, I got my information on there. So you're going to see all of this, and you will put your promotional code on there. Okay, in the area. I didn't go down. My information was on there, and I will have to blur it out. I'm sorry. So that's okay. That's okay. That's my business address anyway. So you guys see it. So now this is just easy and simple. As I said, this is just a quick tutorial. So one, you would go in and do a search for a name. You can actually upgrade that to add different either .us or something like that in there. I'm gonna bring myself back. There we go. And you can do either of those, and that would be awesome if you choose to do that. But you can also use the GoDaddy coupons, and the GoDaddy coupons will help you to save money when doing your domains. So this is quick, really short video. Hope you understood it. Hope you got value in it. And if you want to go ahead and start using your domains, because your domains are definitely used to make you look more professional, and you don't want to just throw this long link out, and you want to just attach it to a domain name to look more professional in your business. And that is the purpose of a domain. So again, I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Make sure you go down in the description. You can message me live for any questions that you may have. Excuse me, you guys. And I will put my email address in there, jamilahshields@gmail.com, if you want to email me with any questions, and if you want to learn what my #1 recommendation for making money online is. I will actually put the link down in the description for you right there again. So again, and also we have awesome bonuses with that marketing training that I have, that my #1 recommendation. Awesome bonuses come with that too. So stay up to date. Go ahead and click it. Check it out. You never know. You might like it. You might not. But you can message me live on Facebook, and also send me an email and just say, hey, Jamilah, how are you? I don't care. But I will see you guys on the next video again. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Till next time, I want you all to be awesome. Bye-bye now. See you later.